Welcome back, everyone, to another edition of North Coast Craftsmen. My name is Dalton. Today we will be finishing our river table series by talking about sand prep. Then I'm going to be teaching you how to take your DIY project to the next level by using Rubio Monocoat for your finish. Now, if you like today's video, make sure to subscribe. The very first step we will need to take is going to be to sand. I start with 80 grit and work my way all the way up to 220 grit without skipping any levels. When I get to 220, I then will do a wet sand to pop the grain before finishing the whole thing with 320. I also like to draw on my tops with a pencil. That way I can tell where I've sanded and where I have not sanded. The next step is extremely critical. We need to clean our surface to ensure we have no dust when it comes time to put our finish on. So to do that, I use a paper towel and just kind of brush off whatever's on top. And after that, I'll hit it with a vacuum to suck off any of the remaining particles. After the vacuum, I hit it again one more time with the paper towel just to ensure that I got all the fine particles. After that, the last cleaning step is to take some denatured alcohol and wipe the whole top down to ensure that the epoxy is clean and dust free. I do this step twice just to ensure that everything is extremely clean so that we get a nice smooth finish when we put our oil on. Now on to Rubio Monocoat. Rubio Monocoat is a finish that is meant to seal wood floors, so it can handle a lot of wear and tear. This is why we choose it, because of its durability and the way that it can handle the daily abuse that any tabletop will see. When you buy this, it will come in two parts, an oil and a hardener. The mixing ratio is 3 parts oil to 1 part hardener. Now, as you can see, I'm not using very much and I'm spreading it out with a plastic spreader. Now this stuff goes a long way, so make sure you don't over mix, because whatever's left you're just gonna have to throw away. And it's pretty expensive, so we really don't want to throw any of this away. We also don't want to overspread, because whatever is left over that doesn't soak in is wiped off. So with that being said, once you get an even layer across the whole top and the sides, the next step is to wait 5 minutes and then wipe off all the remaining oil. So now for this step, we will take a paper towel and wipe until we have no oil residue left on the paper towel. Now once everything is oil free, we wait 36 hours for it to harden. Then we can flip it over and do the other side. Make sure you don't miss any spots, because if you miss spots, it'll be oily and waxy, not smooth to the touch. So with all that being said, here's the big reveal, folks. Now if you want to see what these tables look like on their bases and in their forever home, go follow us on Facebook and Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and send me a comment. And if you think I deserved it, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.